Hi everybody, it's Ramona. I am here to share with you some projects that I made for Ida at Created to create Secret Santa swap that she's got going on right now. Yeah, I still have a couple little glue strings sticking out, but anyway, we were supposed to choose 5 of our favorite crafting items and then go ahead and package them up to give to someone. So, as with all of my projects, it kind of got out of hand. We were supposed to just wrap them up, and this is what I came up with to house the 5 items. So I made 4 of these, and here's the spine. It is 3 inches. I added a ornament from At Home there. I have some trim here from Joann Fabrics, and I alternated some beads. I made this wreath right here. That was a little struggle for me because, oh God, there's so much glitter on it, guys. And anyway, I went ahead and put a dome on it, and it is a shaker dome. Okay. This is the Santa baby paper. The rest of it is the Sugar Blush collection from Michael's last year. Okay, I did put 2 snowflake doilies here, and I trimmed those out as well. And we have some metal hardware here from Michael's that I went ahead and painted gold. So, and I edged it in pearl trim. Everything's pretty much edged in pearl trim to make it look a little more shabby. So this is the inside. We have trim from Joann's, trim from Michael's. This is from Joann's here. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is from Michael's. I cut out some real sparkly snowflakes, trimmed them out in bling. And then everybody is going to get 2 6x6 sheets of the paper pad. And then I have to pull this down a little bit to get these out. These are actually papers I didn't know what to do with. So there were some people got the all is calm, all is bright, and some of them got the merry and bright from the collection. I just went ahead and decorated these up, the bags. And again, this is how I killed the paper pad, was by doing that. Let's see, we have these here. I'm not going to open it up to show you what's in these, but I did like just decorate them up so that they weren't just really plain. And then we have a sequin mix here that I did, topped it with some pearl bling, and then the last package here that I decorated. Okay, guys, I think that's all I have to tell you on this one. Whoops, there goes the light. How funny. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I'm trying to light this. My house is really dark and it's hard to film. So, yeah, I have to really light it up for you to be able to see what I have. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this preview. Hop on over to Ida's channel to see what everyone else is doing, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.